This is the V16, also known as the CV16. It's a really fun two-screen LCD and IPS smart fitness band. You're looking at the LCD screen right now with a bright mirror behind it, and it's very bright in the outside direct sunlight. When you tap a button, that goes away and you switch to the IPS color screen with all kinds of things like step count information, last night's sleep report, a heart rate monitor, fitness workout information, all your text messages and whatnot pushed from your phone. You've got blood pressure readings, you have blood oxygen capability, a selfie kind of a camera interface with your phone, also a music player to play music on your phone, toolkit that lets you switch between a few different styles of screen watch faces, a timer, turning off the vibration, resetting the thing, powering it down, increasing or decreasing the overall brightness, and scanning a QR code for the Tethering App, which is called the Fit. Of course, all of your information can transfer directly to that app as well. It is amazing, the V16 or CV16. Check it out.